Cat Reman success is in the collaboration between all the different work groups, making sure we make good decisions, making sure we make the right decisions for Cat Reman and the customer.
The processes need to be correct. The operators need to have everything they need to do the job. We're trying to create a quality product.
One of the key ingredients to Cat Reman is that core.
As the core comes in, it's disassembled, sorted, inspected, and cleaned. And then from there, it'll come to assembly, where we have processes in place to ensure the quality throughout.
We take this apart down to the sum of its componentries. We leverage these technologies in order to return them to as new condition.
We use state-of-the-art cleaning and salvage techniques. Then individual pieces come back together down an assembly line using the same quality gates and standards as new.
The clock starts when that core is actually scanned off of that truck. Then it's moved into an inspection line.
When this part comes in to me, I do a visual inspection and an internal inspection.
We tear them down. We totally strip every O-ring, every seal, every gasket, every plug. We check it for any defects that might be needed to be milled.
After we get the parts from disassembly, we clean it. Anything from the housings to the brackets, injector bores, any component from the block itself. And then it'll go into our pre-inspection. Our pre-inspection is basically sorting out the steel and the aluminum.
And then I give it the core diagnosis.
Then it goes to the final wash.
When we talk about salvage, we're usually talking about individual piece parts. Things like threaded holes, damage to surfaces, refacing, thermal spray, welding, threaded inserts, sleeves.
Blocks, cranks, cams, heads. These are critical that they're machined correctly as a Reman product.
Cat Reman uses many cutting-edge metal deposition technologies, including laser cladding, high-pressure cold spray, bore spray.
Years ago, everything was welded with sticks, and maybe we got a wire welder. Now you're looking at laser cladding with robotics. What it allows us to do is build up surfaces that have otherwise worn down, and by using a laser, we can precisely figure the amount of material we want to put on there. It's a true cladding process. It's not a spray or overlay. With this new technology, we're able to maximize value to our customer and produce our parts in a more timely manner. I mean, it's a winning combination for everybody.
After salvage, we take those repaired components that are now like new and reassemble them into our finished products.
It all starts with the planning. Make sure that we're ready for the build. It's critical that we have the material that we need to keep working.
We want to keep our customers, so we want to build the engine the correct way so they'll always come back.
Cat Reman provides a value to our customers by being able to save these components and give them another life. We can cut our costs by having these repair processes, and in the end, we can pass those savings on to our customers.
The reason that Cat Reman is so successful in this space is because we understand the form, fit, and function, the original performance specifications.
It's almost like a magic trick, taking this really tough-looking piece of iron and ta-da, here it is, like new.
I feel like it's great because you can't even tell a new engine from our Reman engine.
The ultimate goal is to keep our customer working. One thing we pride ourselves in is having that material ready so we minimize the downtime.
The customer's number one. We always focus on the customer. We think about the customer constantly in everything we do.